Meaning of infertility.
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 Infertility. Infertility refers to the inability of an individual or a couple to conceive a child despite having regular unprotected sexual intercourse for at least 1 year. This can be caused by various factors such as age, hormonal imbalances, genetic factors, environmental factors, and lifestyle choices. Infertility can have a profound impact on individuals and couples, leading to emotional distress, depression, anxiety, and social isolation. Treatment options for infertility include medications, surgery, assisted reproductive technologies such as IVF, and adoption. In some cases, infertility may remain unexplained despite medical interventions.